yours. Uncontrolled.
I'm starting.
Starting? Are you ready? Longer, faster.
I can't. It's hard. How
Harder.
many times?
10.
I'm really dizzy.
Okay, good. Come on, Zeke, go.
It hasn't been 10 times.
Ready?
No.
Stand up. Come on, you're winning. Get through the roof. Do it.
Taylor, go faster.
Your eyes?
I don't know.
Taylor, you're going so slow.
Hard. Come on. It's hurting. Okay, that was good. Good. Come on. How do I do that again?
I don't like this.
Whoa.